198 days ago, another war started. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, April the 22nd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. We have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you the newspaper. Well, so no additional, no extra puzzles. Well, we will wait for tomorrow. Maybe there are extra puzzles, but today no extra puzzles. And one of the news shocked me because I've told you 198 days, almost 200 days ago. Well, here in this article, the Israelis army has bombed a building in Rafah. 19 people killed, but 14 children died in that building. So shocking news. Anyway, enough about the war. Let me start with this first puzzle. This puzzle. Oh, apologies. Let me position the camera. Not a lot of space here. Need to pull this up. Yeah. Okay. First one. 3 stars. 8406. This will be 8406. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, these 3 puzzles has 26 printed digits, all 3 of them. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. How about the number? The number, let me see, which number can I pick? 2, 2. 3, 3, yeah. 3 in the first column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. Right, 4, 4, 4. 8, 8. 2. 9, 9, 9. 8, 8. No. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here on there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay, cannot continue with the 3 now. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in these 3 boxes here, 6 in this row. Last row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places 11 and 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 7, 7, okay. And now, 7, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the third column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So the other pair in the third column are the numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I hate to split those pairs. Then 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and a 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this row, so no 9 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, so 1, 8 is missing, and 7 is missing here. Need a 7 here. Okay. 1, 8, 7. That means 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 8, 7. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. No, need 2 places left, and the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left the 4 is should be there. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this middle row, so no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 9 goes in there. 4, 4. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in the column next on that column. Only place level 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Okay. Then 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. 3, 5, 7. Here also 3. Well, in this column we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Here the same numbers, 3 and a 7. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. That means we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 8 goes there. 1 and an 8, we have a 1 now. So this can be 1 and 1. This box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, and 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then, let me see. Two numbers left in this big square for us. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes, and there. 1, 1. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have 7 and 9 in the second row, so no 7 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the rest, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and a 6. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. 1 there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 and a 5. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. How about the 9? No. How about 8? No. How about 7? No. How about the 2? The 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, now only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So here, 2 numbers left in this row, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Here also 7 and 9. Then 7, overlook this 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and 9, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Here, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. The 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.